Hey everyone, it's Brian Young here, ready to dive into another crucial aspect of crypto trading. Today, let's talk about why your crypto trade history is, without a doubt, your secret weapon in the volatile world of digital assets. It's a resource that many overlook, but smart traders leverage it to gain a significant edge. It's not just a list of numbers and dates, it's so much more than that. It's your personal playbook, meticulously documenting every win, every loss, and every strategic move you've executed in the market. Think of it as your own personal trading diary. Reviewing your trade history allows you to spot patterns and identify what's consistently working in your favor. What strategies are yielding the best returns? And equally important, what's consistently not working? Which approaches are leading to losses and why? Are you making calculated, smart trades based on solid analysis, or are you letting emotions like fear and greed take over your decision-making process? The answers to these critical questions are all hidden within your trading history, waiting to be discovered. Without it, you're essentially flying blind in a complex and ever-changing landscape, relying on guesswork instead of data. You might be thinking you're up overall, but you could be missing hidden fees eating into your profits, or consistently making trades with poor market timing. Meticulously tracking the performance of each individual trade from entry to exit is the only reliable way to definitively know if your carefully crafted strategies are actually generating sustainable profits over the long term. It's not just about subjectively feeling good about your trading performance. It's about objectively making data-driven decisions that pave the way for building real, lasting wealth in the crypto space. And yes, let's not forget about the inevitable topic of taxes. Your comprehensive trade history serves as the official record that tax agencies will require to accurately assess your crypto-related tax obligations. Maintaining clean, well-organized records will make tax season significantly less stressful and time-consuming, and most importantly, it will help you avoid potentially hefty fines and penalties for non-compliance. Remember, every single trade you make is a valuable learning opportunity in disguise. Did you find yourself buying into the hype surrounding a particular coin, only to see its value plummet shortly after? Did you succumb to panic selling during a market crash, locking in losses that could have been avoided? Your trading history holds the key to unlocking your own behavioral patterns and biases. By carefully studying your past trades, you can identify recurring weaknesses in your approach and understand the underlying reasons behind your mistakes. This self-awareness allows you to actively work on those weaknesses and transform them into strengths over time. Use your trade history to refine your overall trading strategy, set more effective rules for yourself, and proactively avoid repeating those costly mistakes that have hindered your progress in the past. This is precisely how you level up your skills and transition from being a novice beginner to a consistently profitable pro. Ultimately, your past trading performance, as documented in your trade history, is your single best teacher and mentor. Don't make the mistake of ignoring the incredibly valuable lessons and insights that it has to offer. Embrace it, analyze it, and learn from it. One rookie mistake? Ignoring fees. Those small trading fees, withdrawal fees, and network fees add up fast and eat into your profits. Always check the fee column in your trade history to see your real gains. Another pitfall: confusing dates and times, especially with exchanges using UTC. Double-check time zones so your records and taxes are accurate. Don't overlook trade statuses like filled, partially filled, or canceled. A partially filled order means you didn't get the full amount. Always confirm your trades, and don't rely on memory. The market moves fast and details blur. Your trade history is your only reliable record. Save and export it regularly. Keeping your own records is a pro habit. It separates investors from gamblers. So when you're diving into the world of crypto trading, a crucial question arises. Where exactly do you find your trade history? It's a fundamental aspect of managing your investments and staying on top of your financial activities. Thankfully, most exchanges understand the importance of accessibility and clarity, making it relatively easy to locate this information. Let's take a look at a couple of popular platforms. On Coinbase, the first step is to log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. Usually this involves clicking on your profile icon or name, which opens up a drop-down menu. From there, look for a section labeled Orders. This is often where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your past transactions. Alternatively, you might find the information under Reports or even Statements, depending on the specific layout of the platform. Another place to check is Filled Orders, or directly to Order History. These sections typically provide a detailed breakdown of all your completed transactions. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of your completed trades, And this detailed information is absolutely essential for accurate tracking and of course for tax purposes. Now let's switch gears and take a look at Binance. On Binance, you'll typically want to hover your mouse over the Orders tab at the top of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down, select Spot Order, and then navigate to Trade History. This will take you to a page displaying a full and detailed list of all your executed trades on the platform. Keep in mind that while the exact wording and layout may vary slightly, the underlying process is generally quite similar across most platforms. You'll typically need to log into your account, then find a section labeled Orders or Activity, and then specifically look for Trade History. Or as we mentioned before, Filled Orders. Don't forget to utilize the date filters to narrow down your search and find specific trades within a particular time frame. This is especially useful when you need to prepare your tax reports. So, take a few minutes right now to familiarize yourself with exactly where this information lives on your preferred exchange. Knowing how to access your trade history quickly and efficiently ultimately saves you valuable time and reduces unnecessary stress in the long run. And remember, don't just rely solely on the mobile app. Be sure to utilize the desktop site for a more comprehensive view and greater level of detail. Make it a habit to export your trade history regularly. Always back up your data and store it in a secure place, preferably with encryption. Cultivating this habit keeps you firmly in control of your financial information. It's the very foundation upon which smart and responsible crypto investing is built. Master this seemingly simple skill, and you'll find yourself already ahead of the vast majority of traders out there. Diving into your trade history can initially feel like navigating a maze of numbers and figures. It might seem overwhelming at first glance, like a chaotic jumble of data points. But don't worry, it's actually quite simple and straightforward once you understand what each element represents and what to look for. With a little guidance, you'll be able to decipher the information and gain valuable insights. Let's break down the key columns, starting with the date. This column indicates exactly when the trade was executed down to the second. Knowing the precise timing of your trades is crucial for accurate analysis. Next, we have the pair, which specifies what you traded. For example, BTC USD indicates a trade between Bitcoin and the US dollar. And then there's the side, clearly showing whether you executed a buy or sell order. The price column displays the rate at which your trade was executed. This is the agreed-upon value for each unit of the asset. Amount tells you exactly how much of the asset you bought or sold in that particular trade. It's essential to always check the fee column. This column reveals the charges levied by the exchange for facilitating the trade, and these fees directly impact your actual profit margins. Keep in mind that sometimes fees are denominated in a different cryptocurrency, such as BNB when trading on Binance. Always remember to subtract these fees from your gross profit to accurately determine your true net returns. The order type column indicates whether you placed a market order, which is executed instantly at the best available price, or a limit order, where you specify the exact price at which you want to buy or sell. A solid understanding of these terms empowers you to effectively analyze your trading strategy and its performance. Are you primarily reacting to immediate market conditions, or are you proactively setting your own price targets and waiting for them to be met? Your comprehensive trade history holds valuable insights into your trading habits and tendencies. Leverage this information to identify areas for improvement and refine your approach. Common error: only looking at open orders. Those aren't real trades yet. Always check filled or completed orders for accurate tracking and taxes. Exporting the wrong date range is another big mistake. Double-check your start and end dates. Don't miss partially filled orders. Log the actual amount traded, not just what you intended. Misreading exported files can throw off your records. Take a moment to understand each column. Compare a few trades on the site to your file. This quick check prevents major headaches. Accurate records mean fewer surprises. Let's wrap up with a quick checklist. Review your trade history regularly, weekly or monthly. Double-check each trade, price, amount, and fees. Don't just trust the platform. Export and back up your own records. Use a spreadsheet or portfolio tracker for extra security. Analyze your history. Why did you make each trade? Was it research or emotion? Learn from every win and loss. Refine your strategy and set clear rules. Consistent review leads to smarter decisions and long-term success. Open your trade history and start mastering your financial future.